I'm your host, Doreen Barnes, and joining me in the studio today happens to be Sean McFadden. He's with the Alzheimer Society of Lanark, Leeds, and Grenville. Welcome to the show.
Hello, good morning.
So what is Finding Home Workshop?
Well, the Finding Home Workshop is something that we wanted to put together to showcase our Project Lifesaver system and to also help educate people that may have loved ones that might wander.
Yes, okay.
So we want to educate the folks coming through the door, and we want to let them know that we have a system to find their loved one and bring them home.
Safely, yes, as safely as you can. So when is this workshop taking place?
Well, it's Wednesday, March 20th from 10 to 2.
Okay.
At the New Hope Church here in Brockville.
That's like North Augusta, off that way, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, just on the edge of town.
Used to be the Shriners building, wasn't it?
I believe so.
Something like that years ago or something,
Yep.
I don't know. Anyhow, it's off that way. Is there a cost associated with this?
No, there isn't.
Okay.
The only thing that we do ask people is lunch is provided, but if you have a dietary restriction, we'd like to know that in advance, but no charge.
No charge. Speakers?
Yes, so there's myself.
Yes.
Robin Hull, who's my counterpart in Lanark. We'll both be speaking on Finding Your Way. So that's a presentation that's educating people on help to keep their loved ones safe.
Is it something along the line of, this is what you do if you notice that so-and-so has wandered off or you cannot find your loved one and you need help?
Yep, it touches on that for sure.
Okay.
But it's even pre-stuff about what might cause your loved one to wander.
Oh, all right.
Head out the door. Things to look for. What do you do? How can you improve their living environment so that they are safer in the home? Then we're going to talk about our Project Lifesaver program.
Now, are you doing that along with Robin, or is somebody else coming in to do that?
Well, yes, we do have other people coming in to do that. I'm going to just tell people what the Project Lifesaver program is.
Okay.
The other folks coming in are Emily McFadden and Joey Mason from the OPP. They're the mobile crisis response team in our area, in the Leeds area.
Yes.
And they're going to get into more detail about how the OPP operates the system, what a search might look like.
So they're going to be demonstrating it, right?
They will demonstrate it, yes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I think seeing something happening is a little bit more meaningful, and you understand it, and you retain some of it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So should people be signing up for this? Yes, because there's lunch, and they need to tell you if there's a dietary issue.
That's right.
So who do they call?
Well, connecting with Robin.
Connect with Robin, okay.
So her name is Robin Hull.
Yes.
The phone number to get her is 1-866-576-8556.
Okay.
And she does have an email, so if you just want to email, that's good too. And that's rhull@alzllg.ca. And
it's Hull, right?
Hull.
You. Okay, just to make sure that people understand that's what it is. Now, you like, this is covering Lanark, Leeds, and Grenville, is it not?
Yes.
So you will have people coming from Lanark?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yes. Robin has acquired a bus. So it's going to be filled with people, we hope, that will come down from the Smith Falls area right to the church where we're holding the workshop.
So when people call in, if they wish to have a ride, they can actually talk to Robin about this.
Yep, and she'll put them on the bus list.
Perfect. Would they pick up on the way down through, do you know, on their coming down? I'm thinking about somebody who's, lives on Highway 29, because I assume they're going to take Highway 29. You should never assume, but I am. And I'm just wondering, why not?
Well, I don't know the answer to that. I haven't talked to Robin about that. It makes sense if they would.
Does to me.
Yep.
So, if they've got room, why not, eh?
Yep.
Okay, so that date again is when, Sean?
Wednesday, March 20th.
From?
10 o'clock to 2 p.m. in the afternoon.
Okay, and it's free and lunch is included.
That's correct, yes.
And they're going to walk away with all kinds of information.
Yes.
And it's well worth attending to learn about this.
Absolutely.
I mean,
it's very important.
we hear about it, but to actually see it and to talk to somebody and ask questions is a lot better.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for coming in, sitting down with me and talking about Finding Home Workshop.
Thank you.
Okay.